Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we're going to open a Rocksbox. I'm over at my vanity today because I've been doing a few makeup type videos. I don't know how it worked out, y'all. But Rocksbox is a monthly jewelry rental subscription. They send you 3 pieces of jewelry. You rent them for however long you want. You could wear them a day, send it right back. You could keep them a month, whatever. And as soon as you send it back, they're going to send you another box. Now you can decide to keep whatever's in there. And if you do decide to keep a piece, your $21 monthly fee is credited back to you. So that's always a good thing too. Plus, the more you buy from them, the more of a discount you get. I tend to just rent and send back. On occasion, I'll buy something. I'm about at a 5% discount, member discount. But if you do want to try Rocksbox, so go to rocksbox.com, put in my code, which is GINAPBFF45. It will give you your first box for $1, plus you will get $25 of forever credit. That means the credit doesn't expire. You could have the subscription for a year and then decide, oh, I really love this piece. And you can use that $25 plus your $21 box fee or subscription fee to get that piece, just whenever you want to. I really like it and I really do appreciate it if you use my link because it does help me out. So thank you so very much. I love Rocksbox, y'all. They send me Kendra Scott. They send me Slate. They send Aster. Oh my goodness. Love AJ. I can't even think of all the different brands that I've gotten, but it's so fun. You go on there, you can put little hearts. You fill in the little heart bubble on the products and kind of, that puts it on your wish list. So the stylist kind of knows what kind of things you like. You can tell them if you don't want earrings or if you only want silver, whatever you want. Very customizable. And they do give you a little note each time they send you a box. You can get more than one box in a month, but it's still only that $21 rental fee for that entire month. So I really think it's cool. I really like it. Let's see what my stylist said. All right, I'm going to look off screen and read this to you. It says, "Hi Gina, thanks for taking the time to leave feedback. It really helps us better understand your style. This Sophie Harper double layer curved necklace in gold offers a subtle style that will complete any look. When you're feeling a little extra love in your jewelry collection or for someone you love. Style the Jenny hoops with the Jenny cuff to complete this look. Bring a touch of shine to any ensemble with these Perry Street Abbey ear climbers in clear. I hope you enjoyed this set as much as I think you will, Rachel." Now, I think that everything that she sent, I did have in my wish list. And by the way, you can even put, I think it's 1 through 6, your top ones that you want for them to send you. So, it's like, hey, I want this one more than I want this one over here. It's really cool. I like it. Right now, we gonna open the box. Bag. All right, so keep this bag because whatever you're returning, you're gonna put back in here. There is a printed out sticky label in here, so you just put that sticky label on top of the label that already exists on here. Put your jewelry back in this bag and you're good to go. I love how they've decorated the box. It is just too adorable with the bumblebees. These boxes are recyclable. If you keep everything in the box, you keep the box. I normally send them back because I don't need a whole bunch of boxes. I get so many subscription boxes and so many little boxes, but they're very handy to have. I don't even know if you have to send it back. I just always have. It seems like it protects the jewelry better. Hey gorgeous. So this has your jewelry care instructions on it. They have 2 different sections now. One for the normal jewelry and one for the demi-fine jewelry that they started carrying. Yes, pricey. I've been sent something, I think $150 piece. I think it was from Kendra Scott. It was a necklace. So Never in my life would I have been able to wear a $150 piece of jewelry without this rental subscription. But they do have stuff that's reasonably priced too, if you want to keep something. So, you know, you can keep a $40, $30 set of earrings, whatever. Or, you know, necklace. Who knows? Let's just look at it, because I think I'm rambling, y'all. I'm still sick. I can't get over whatever I've got, and it's kind of dragging me down. But I'm determined I'm going to film today and have a good time. That's why I went all colorful. But, so, here is my price list. Tells me what I got. $127 worth of jewelry and a whole bunch of discounts. Let me look at this. I've got my rose gold discount, my May monthly credit. I have a forever credit. So somebody must have used my link. Thank you so very much for that. I really appreciate it. And then if you keep all three, you do get a $10 discount. Now, sometimes you can catch specials where you get a $20 discount if you keep all three. It just depends. So I can actually keep everything in here for $64.65. That's a pretty good deal. Yay, yay, yay. But let's look. Ooh, they all come in these nice little baggies. They say if you do need to wipe them off or anything, use these baggies. Just make sure you don't, you know, spray perfume on them or get them wet, things like that. But take them off, you know, make sure everything's dry. You know, just respect the jewelry, y'all. We got to respect the jewelry. So, look at these. Oh my goodness gracious. The shiny whinies. Are you focusing? Camera focus. Oh my goodness. And they're a hook. Ooh, okay, let me get off my crazy, funny butterfly ears. Butterfly wings. This is the Walmart special, y'all. We're gonna put in the real stuff now. So these are the Perry Street Abbey ear climbers in clear. Originally $45. Since I get the discount of the member price, I would pay $38. And if I can get the back off of these things, it might be a slight miracle. They are ear climbers. So they're very different. Let me just see let me just figure out how to work these things, because I've never actually worn an ear climber. I think they are cute. I've never actually worn one. All right, I think you're supposed to make them go up your ear, aren't you? Because see, they're wanting to hang down. Climb that ear, girl. Climb that ear. Okay. What do we think? It's pretty fun. It's a little big looking for my ear, though. Are they supposed to be that big looking? Let's put the other one in. I'm curious to see if they're going to stay as I move around, or if they'll, like, you know, fall down. Hello, Callie Cat. Somebody's in my lap now. She can't stand it. Mama is not in her normal spot. You silly girl. I'm gonna go over there in a minute. We're gonna film the Fab Bit Fun in a minute. So y'all watch out for that video too. I just thought it would be nice to film over here at the vanity where I could give y'all a really close-up look at the jewelry. I mean, it's fun, but is it gonna fall? It's staying so far. Let's just move on and we'll see how it goes. I don't know that I'll keep them, but it's fun to play. And, you know, since I'm renting, it's no risk to me. Next baggie. Ooh, a necklace. I love how they do their necklaces and they don't get tangled like this. Kelly Cat's like, ooh, what is it, Mama? You gonna come up here and say hi to everybody? She's too far down. Alright, let's see. She's rubbing on me now. You want to say hi, everybody? Say hi to everybody. She says, I must be the center of attention. What's up with this? Okay, the chain's just being a little funky. Funky monkey. Sometimes you just gotta work things out. Okay, my girl, you are... Now, I feel like I've gotten something similar to this before. This one is Sophie Harper double layer curved necklace in gold, originally $60, and I could get it for $51 with my member discount. I do like it. Let me just... But it seems like it would be all crooked. Is it supposed to be all crooked? I mean, it's very cute. It just doesn't want to lay right. We'll just see. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. I'm feeling a little underwhelmed today. Normally, I'm tickled about something, but maybe this is it. Okay, Sophia Street. Look at these hoops, y'all. These are cute. The hearts. She's pushing on my arm, y'all. She's like, hey, let me get up there. Yeah, let me get up there. She's like, oh my goodness, Mom. So the climbers are still in at the moment, but we're going to take them out so I can put this hoop on. These are the Perry Street Jenny hoop. They're originally $45 and I would pay $38. Now this is probably a lot more than my style, even though I really need some silver jewelry right now. Maybe I should request some silver jewelry for next time. I mean, yeah, see, it fell. It fell. I knew it'd fall. I like this better. I think these are adorable with the little hearts in there. They stick out of my hair. They show that they're there. What do y'all think? What's your favorite piece out of this box? Or would you just send it all back and not wear any of it? Now, keep in mind, this is not the... Let me put it on as long as it'll go. See, I had it about there. And let's go as long as it'll go. I always like to know how long they will go. This top is not the best for jewelry try on. What do we think, y'all? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out Rocksbox yourself. Use that code. I appreciate it so very much. Go check out the other videos. See what else they've sent me. You'll get a better feel of what they deliver. But yeah, super cute, super fun. And if I don't want to wear any of this, I can send it back immediately, get another box immediately. They do send you a preview so that you kind of get an idea of if you want it or not. Most of the time, I just let them send me whatever they want to send, because even though this isn't my style, it might be somebody else's who's watching. So that's why I like to do it that way. Y'all, thank you so very much for spending time with us. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.